Hi guys, Fonzie here from GMM Motorsport, Australia Speed. Today we have a VF on the dyno and just showing you this one. This is a collaboration linked B&R Engines and Dave from Holden. It's Dave's car. They've done all the work, so it's not us. They've got all our lovely parts, so the combination's pretty right. It's just a 6 litre GMM Motorsport V3.5 heads, Ramjet 3 with the MAF still in. It's got the big bad boy triple steps, only into twin 2.5 inch. He wants to keep it quite modest, so that's probably going to be a little bit of a restriction. But basically the recipe's all there. So let's hit the rollers, and we didn't do it, so we can show you that someone else can do it if they've got the right advice or the know-how and the right parts, and we'll show you what we can do. Okay, helps if you turn the right button off. So yeah, good result. 340 rear wheel kilowatts at 6,700. That's the ST Camshaft. So perfect to use with the standard automatic transmission. No high stall required. Good manners, good fuel economy. Well done guys on the result. Collaboration together. 340 should be now be a nice VF SS to drive around.